Now we have to find the four arithmetic means between two numbers. Now remember, an arithmetic mean is not necessarily just one number between two values. It can be many. Basically, what we're trying to find here is that this under root 2 is equal to a1. This 12 over under root 2, it comes after four consecutive terms after under root 2. So that will become a6. So basically, if we need to find four arithmetic means, this will become a1, and the first arithmetic mean will become capital A1, second will be capital A2, A3, and A4. We have to find these four terms, and after that we get A6, which is 12 over under root 2. And the common difference between all of these is obviously the same. So now we have to find A1, A2, A3, and A4. We've been given these two terms, and obviously under root 2 is equal to A1, and A6 is 12 over under root 2. And when we apply the formula, which is equal to AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into the common difference D. We have to find the common difference. So when you plug in the values, and we have to find the value of D here and do all the calculations, we get that the value of D, the common difference, is 2 over under root 2. Now, simple. Sorry, it is under root 2. So when you do the calculations, obviously A2, we have to find A2, which is equal to capital A1. So the first arithmetic mean that we have to find is equal to A2. And obviously A2 is equal to A1 plus D. And so that becomes under root 2 plus under root 2, which is equal to 2 into under root 2 and capital A2. So the second arithmetic means is the third term, A3, lowercase a3. So that becomes A1 plus 2D, obviously, because A1 plus D is the second term, A1 plus 2D is the third term, A1 plus 3D is the fourth term, and so forth. So this becomes 3 into under root 2. We'll apply the same logic for A3 and A4, and we'll get the four arithmetic means.